Hello students, hope you are fine. I Miss Nehali Topiwala, your EVS teacher. Will continue with the same chapter Mangoes Round the Year in part 2. So let's see what is there in part 2. Okay. So next in this chapter we are having a story related a Mimidi Tandra. Mamidi Tandra. What do you mean by Mamidi Tandra? So it is related with some mango item, right? How the mango summer treat means in summer season we have mango. You also have enjoyed the mango season right now recently, okay? And some of them are still enjoying it. Some of them may be having at home, and they are still enjoying the mango seasons right now also. So in this story also there were two boys named Chitti Babu and Chinna Babu. They both live in a Atriyapuram town in Andhra Pradesh. The brothers spend the summer holidays playing in the mango garden when the trees are full of fruits. So this both the brothers have spent their summer holidays, pura summer vacation they were playing in the mango garden where trees are full of fruits. In summer season only we get the mangoes, right? And we enjoy also. So they also like to eat unripe mangoes with salt and chili powders. सो लाइक यू वी ऑल्सो एन्जॉय ईटिंग अनराइप मैंगोज मतलब कच्चा आम जिस पे हम चिल्ली पाउडर और सॉल्ट डाल के खाते हैं. वी ऑल लव इट टू ईट. सो इन द सेम वे दिस टू ब्रदर्स वे आर ऑल्सो लविंग टू ईट दैट. At home, their mother cooks unripe mangoes in different ways. She also makes many kinds of mango pickles. The pickles last through the year until the next mango season. Okay, so right now your mother has also made some mango pickles like તીખા વાલા અચાર, મીઠા વાલા અચાર, જે ગુજરાતીમાં બી we can say that છુંદો, કેરીનો છુંદો, which is kept for the full year. It is made for the full year till the next mango season comes. So your mummy also prepares this achar for with unripe mangoes for the full years till the next mango season comes. In the same way their mummy also was preparing it. So one evening what happened? One evening while having food, Chinna Babu asked, Amma, we have so many mangoes, make some Mamidi Tandra from them. So one day when they were having their food in the evening, Chinna Babu is asking asking his mother that, Amma, we are having so many mangoes. They say Amma to their mother. Okay, so he is telling we are having many mangoes in our garden. So let's make some Mamidi Tandra. Mamidi Tandra means what? आम पापड़. उसको हम इंग्लिश में या हिंदी में आम पापड़ बोलते हैं. From them, their father said, making Mimidi Tandra needs 4 weeks of hard work. If you both promise to help us every day for the next 4 weeks, we can together make the Mamidi Tandra. So what their father is saying that it needs a lots of hard work. 4 weeks of hard work it needs. Will you promise us to help us for the next 4 weeks every day? And so then only we will make this Mamidi Tandra. Both the brothers quickly agreed to help. The next day both the children went to the market with their father. They brought a mat woven from the leaves of a palm trees, poles of Kasurina tree, string made of coconut husk, some jaggery and sugar. So they both were ready to help. They agreed, yes, we will help you. And quickly they answered that yes, we are ready to help you. And the very next day they went with their father and they brought some materials required to make this Mimidi Tandra. Mangoes so they were already having in their garden, but making this Mamidi Tandra, they needed some things from the market like a mat woven from the leaves of palm trees. Palm trees में से एक चटाई जैसी बनाई होती है. They wanted that. जिस कौन से trees से बनाई जाती है? Poles of Kasurina trees. फिर उनको स्ट्रिंग चाहिए, एक कोकोनट हस्क चाहिए, स्ट्रिंग मेड ऑफ कोकोनट हस्क एंड सम कोकोनट हस्क मतलब वो स्ट्रिंग बोलते हैं ना हम, सुतरनी दोड़ी ते and some jaggery. Jaggery means good and sugar. They need this. So see, in this whole picture, it is there how they used, how they were making and helping it. See, first they were playing here with their father. Then this is the thing they were helping their mother, and finally they got to eat it. So what was the story? We will see it. Amma found a sunny place in the backyard. Both the brothers made a high platform by using poles. They spread out and tied the mat on that platform. Now, what did Amma means? Amma, their mother, found a sunny place. They needed a hot climate for this. So, sunny place means what? जहाँ पे धूप अच्छी आती है वहाँ पे बैकयार्ड में इन देयर गार्डन दे वेंट देयर एंड दे फाउंड अ प्लेस एंड दे मेड अ हाई प्लेटफॉर्म. 2 लकड़े पोल्स लगा के उन्होंने एक ऊंचा ऐसे पोल बनाया. सी यू कैन सी ओवर हियर इन दिस पिक्चर. दे मेड अ प्लेटफॉर्म लाइक थिंग. They spread out and tied the mat on that platform. See, you can see in this picture this mat woven from the tree, palm tree. They spread it, they tied it, and they spread it on it. The next day, Appa chose the most ripe mangoes. They took out the mango pulp in a large pot. Then they strained the pulp through a fine muslin cloth to remove the fiber from the pulp. So next day what happened? First they had to do this thing. The next day what they did? Appa choose the most ripe mangoes, means पक्का वाला एकदम ripe mangoes choose किए, and they took out the pulp. उसका रस निकाल के एक लार्ज मटके में रखा. फिर उसी रस को what they did? They strained it, मतलब के उसको मसलिन पतले वाले एकदम कॉटन मसलिन क्लॉथ होते हैं उसमें से वो सारा रस उन्होंने स्ट्रेन कर दिया. टू रिमूव द फाइबर्स. फाइबर्स मतलब जो रेसे रेसे होते हैं ना, हम भी आम रस निकालते हैं मम्मी, तो व्हाट शी डू इट वेरी फाइनली, राइट, ताकि वो रेसे हमारे मुंह में नहीं आए. तो इन द सेम वे दे टेक आउट द पल्प. देन चिट्टी बाबू क्रश किया गुड़ को, जैगरी को, टिल देयर वॉज नो लम्प्स. एकदम चूरा कर दिया जहाँ पे ऐसे लम्प्स नहीं हो वैसे. दे एडेड जैगरी and sugar in equal amount, and then what they did in that आमरस they added the jaggery and sugar with the same equal amount. दोनों का सेम हिस्सा उन्होंने लिया. Okay, to the pulp. Then Chinna Babu mixed the jaggery and sugar well with a big spoon. They added, after that they mixed it with a big spoon. एकदम मस्त उसको फाइन कर दिया. Amma then spread this pulp into a thin layer over the mat, and then what she did? This layer, ये पूरा आम का जो उन्होंने बनाया था, adding this jaggery and sugar, their mother spread it on that mat. वो जो mat उन्होंने बनाई थी उस पे. The thin layer was left to dry in the sun, और फिर उसको सन में सुखाने के लिए रख दिया. In the evening they covered the mat with a clean sari to avoid any dust. And फिर जब इवनिंग हुई then what they did? They covered it, ढक दिया उसको थिन पतली क्लीन साड़ी से, ताकि उसके ऊपर धूल मिट्टी ना जमे. The next day they again took out some mango pulp. They added jaggery and sugar into the pulp. Then they spread the pulp over the previous day's layer. Next day again what they did? They took out some mango pulp. वापस से same procedure, mango का रस निकाला, उसमें jaggery and sugar they added to the pulp, and again they spreaded the pulp over the previous day layer. मतलब जो अगले दिन उन्होंने जो लेयर बनाया था उसके ऊपर वापस से दूसरा लेयर स्प्रेड कर दिया. This work was given to both the brothers. Both of them together spread many layers over it. For the next 4 weeks, they hoped that it would not rain. So, this procedure they did for several days. Like for next 4 weeks, both the brothers did the same procedure. Took out the pulp, added sugar and jaggery, and spread it on the layer after layer. एक दिन के लेयर के बाद दूसरे लेयर पे, दूसरे के बाद तीसरे के बाद चौथे, ऐसे करके 4 weeks तक they had done this thing, and they were hoping that it would not rain. बारिश नहीं गिरी. अगर बारिश होती तो what would happen? It would have got spoiled. For 4 weeks they added layer after layer until the jelly grew 4 centimeters thick and looked like a golden cake. After some days, Amma said, The Mimidi Tandra is ready. Now we can take it out and cut it into pieces tomorrow. So as I told, for the 4 weeks they did that layer ke upar they made that layer, and it was like jelly until it grew 4 centimeter thick. पूरा वो झाड़ा नहीं हो गया तब तक they started using that layer. एंड इट लुक्ड लाइक अ गोल्डन केक, एक गोल्डन कलर का केक जैसे दिखा. हैव यू सीन एनीबडी? आई होप यू हैव सीन द आम पापड़, राइट? हाउ इट इज़ हैविंग लेयर के ऊपर लेयर होता है एंड इट इज़ वेरी टेस्टी ऑल्सो. आफ्टर सम डेज अम्मा सेड the Mimidi Tandra. फिर after 4 weeks अम्मा is saying that Mimidi Tandra is now ready. We can cut it out and we can take it out and we can cut it into pieces tomorrow. हम उसको pieces के अंदर cut करके रख देंगे. The next day the mat was brought down from the platform. Mimidi Tandra was cut into smaller pieces. Then they brought that mat from the backyard and they कट दैट मिमिदी तंद्रा इंटू स्मॉलर पीसेस. छोटे छोटे पीसेस में उसको कट कर दिया. द ब्रदर टेस्टेड इट. इट वॉज टेस्टी. चिन्नी बाबू सेड, wow, how tasty. After all, we have also helped in making it. And the brothers tasted it. So it was very tasty, sweet in taste, and the brothers loved it. And Chinni Babu said that, wow, it is tasty. After all, we have also helped in making it. Means it was their hard work and it came out very nicely. And so they were enjoying it very much. So dear students, I hope you have understood this story of making Mimidi Tandra means aam papad. See lastly how this both the boys are enjoying this aam papad. I hope you must have also tasted the aam papad. If not, then it is available in the market. You can just go and search and find it out from the market also. You can get it very easily. So let's move ahead. Here we have finished our story of this making of Mimidi Tandra, and now we are going to answer some questions to it. Right. Why was sugar and jaggery mixed into the mango pulp and dried in the sun? So sugar and jaggery was mixed into the pulp and dried into the sun because that it may have given that sticky taste to the मिमिदी तंद्रा. मैंगो पल्प वुड नॉट हैव मेड, अकेले मैंगो पल्प से वो नहीं बन सकता था. सो दे नीड टू ऐड दैट शुगर एंड जैगरी टू इट. वाई डिड अप्पा फर्स्ट चूज द मोस्ट राइप मैंगोज टू बी यूज फॉर मेकिंग द मिमिदी तंद्रा? अप्पा हैज़ चूज द फर्स्ट मोस्ट राइप मैंगोज मीन्स कि उसमें पक्के आम की ही ज़रूरत होती है. मोस्ट पक्का आम जो होता है उसी का रस निकाल के देन ओनली इट कैन बी मेड. How did the brothers make the Mimidi Tandra? Write down step by step what they did for this. So as I told you the steps in this story, okay, how they made this Mimidi Tandra. First of all, they brought a mat woven from the palm trees. Then they put it on the pole लगाए थे, उसके ऊपर वो mat को रखा था. Then they took out the pulp from it and then they added the sugar and jaggery to it. Then they they took out the mango pulp from it. What did they did? Strained out the mango pulp with the cloth, muslin cloth, so that the fibers get separated from it. And then they added sugar and jaggery to that pulp, fine pulp, and they mixed it well and they put it on the mat and they kept for 1 day to get it dry in the sun, and the next day they did the same procedure for it. So you have to write the step by step procedure they did for making the Mimidi Tandra. What things are made in your house from ripe and unripe mangoes? Yes, now in your house also there are ripe mangoes and unripe mangoes you must have seen in this season. So ripe मतलब पक्के आम से आपकी मम्मी आम रस बनाती है. फिर केरी आप केरी का जूस बना के पीते हो. बहुत सारी चीज़ें ऐसे करते हो. एंड अनराइप मैंगो से क्या बनता है? पिकल्स, अचार बनता है जो आपकी मम्मी ने बनाया होगा. अचार, पिकल बनता है, छुंदा बनता है, ये सारी चीज़ें. एंड वी कैन ईट इट विद द सॉल्ट एंड चिल्ली पाउडर ऑल्सो. लाइक दैट ऑल्सो वी लाइक टू ईट इट. ओके. Next, make a list of all the different types of pickle that you know about. Now what you have to do, आपके घर में कितने types of pickles बनते हैं उसकी एक list बनानी है. Not with the help of mangoes only, but with many other things like नींबू का अचार भी होता है, मैंगो पिकल होता है, फिर छुंदा, मैंगो से ही छुंदा बनता है. Next is find out and discuss. So there are some questions you have to discuss with me. Is there any kind of pickle made in your house? What kind of pickle is it? Who makes it? From whom did they learn to make the pickle? So here are some questions related to your house, like in your house also your mummy or grandmother makes some varieties of pickles. Pickles मतलब अचार. तो what kind of pickles it is, like केरी का अचार, नींबू का अचार, मिर्ची चिल्ली, ग्रीन चिल्ली अचार, many types of pickles are made. तो who makes it? Your mother or your grandmother? And from where did they learn it? From the generation to generation they learn. मतलब if your grandmother has learned, if your grandmother is making, तो she must have learned from her grandmother, right? In this way. So next question is, what all things are needed to make any one type of pickle in your house? How is the pickle made? Find out the recipe and write. This thing you need to ask to your mother and make a list of it. That how many things are needed to make the pickle in your house? अचार बनाने के लिए कौन सी चीज़ें चाहिए जो अचार को पूरे साल रख सके, जिससे वो बिगड़े नहीं. एंड हाउ इट इज़ मेड, दिस रेसिपी यू नीड टू फाइंड इट फ्रॉम योर मदर एंड राइट इट. हाउ दिस थिंग्स आर मेड इन योर हाउस, लाइक पापड़, चटनी, बादियान. How these things are made? Papad is made, chutney is made, your mummy makes it. So you must have to ask to her that how it is made. It is a 2-day journey by train from Pune to Kolkata. If you were to go on this trip, what food items you would carry with you? How would you pack them? Make a list on the blackboard of all the packed food. What food would you eat first? So over here, if you are going for a journey for 2 days by train from Pune to Kolkata, so if you are going, right, you take some food items with you, along with you for the journey while you are traveling. So what are those food items that you take and how will you pack them? And if you are taking something like it would get spoiled easily, so what will you do with that food? So we will eat the food first, which are going to get easily spoiled. Okay, then we will eat the things which are not going to get spoiled easily. So which type of food you will carry with you? Suppose if you are carrying potato sabji and puri with you, then you will finish it first, because if you will keep it for more than one day, then it would get spoiled. In the same way, if you carry achar and thepla with you, it will not get spoiled, because achar can stay for whole year also. So it will not get spoiled, and thepla will also not get spoiled, because in that some preservatives are being added which keep the food unspoiled for some days. Okay, so many of times you have seen that your mother, by if you are going by journey, if you are going by train to and having a journey, so you must have seen that your mother makes thepla mostly for the journey to eat, so that doesn't get spoiled because of some preservatives that she is adding to it. Okay, now this was the chapter about the mangoes round the year. Now what we have learned in this chapter. So see, glass jars and bottles are dried well in the sun before filling them with pickles. Why is this done? Do you remember what happened to the bread in the experiment? So you must have seen many a times that your mother is washing glass jars and bottles, कांच के बर्नी बर्तन ये सब धो के सुखाते सन में. Why? To fill the pickles in them, अचार भरने के लिए. If you will keep in the wet vessel, then what will happen to it? It will get spoiled. जैसे हमने bread का experiment देखा था, it was added water on it, so the fungus came easily. In the same way, if you will keep something a wet thing, if your vessel is wet and if you feel something food eatable items to it, it will get spoiled easily. To eat mangoes around the year, we make different items like pickle, aam papad, chutney, chikki, etc. List some other food which we make different, which we make different things so that we can enjoy it throughout the year. Like in the mango season, your mother also कीप्स पूरे साल का रस निकाल के डीप फ्रीज करके वो रखते हैं. और एल्स शी मेक पिकल्स, अचार बनाते या आम पापड़ बनाते, उसकी चटनी मतलब छुंदा जो बोलते वो बनाते, चिक्की बनाते. इन दिस वे इट इज़ ओनली द मैंगो की आइटम्स ये सारी है. बट देर आर मैनी सच फूड आइटम्स विच आर मेड for the full whole year. So what are those food items? Like in summer season only your mummy makes potato wafers, sabudana chakri, all these things, papad she make. So why do you think she make all these things? Because it can be kept for the whole year. So you must have seen that she makes papad, potato wafer, sabudana chakri, all this, and you enjoy it for the whole year. So in this way, it is kept for the whole year by adding some preservative to it. Preservative मतलब कि जो चीज़ हम easily ख़राब नहीं कर जो चीज़ easily ख़राब नहीं हो सकती है, उसके लिए somewhat preservatives are kept. लाइक सॉल्ट होते हैं, जैसे हम पिकल बनाते हैं तो उसके अंदर बहुत सारी ऐसी चीज़ें होती है जिससे वो पिकल ख़राब नहीं होता. लाइक सॉल्ट, शुगर, ऑयल, ये सारी चीज़ें उसके अंदर पड़ती है, इसलिए वो ख़राब नहीं होता. टर्मरिक मतलब कि हल्दी. सो इन दिस वे यू कैन एन्जॉय योर थिंग्स थ्रू आउट द ईयर. So I hope you have understood this chapter, dear students, about mangoes round the year. Okay, so take care, stay home, bye.